So as you can probably see, by no means is it in the greatest condition, but I'm not really too concerned about the paintwork and the interior and stuff like that. I more want it to just have really good mechanicals, so it's going to be nice and fun on a track day. At the moment, because it's burning a little bit of oil, sometimes one of the spark plugs might foul up and it will drop a cylinder, which is quite annoying. So we'll start it up now, and hopefully today will be one of those days where it's running well.